Walang kagatol-gatol na inamin ni Sian Lim na totoong tinawagan niya ang ex-girlfriend na si Kim Chu para pag-usapan ang kanilang breakup. Pero mariin niyang pinabulaanan na kinausap niya ang TV host actress para pag-usapan ang bago niyang karelasyon, ang film producer na si Iris Lee. May lumabas kasing balita na kaya raw tinawagan ng kapuso actor-director ay para sabihing maaari na raw sabihin ni Kim sa madlang people na may bago na siyang girlfriend. When this story first came to me, I didn't understand it. To be honest, there's also no truth to it. But I'll say this, the truth is that I really did call Kim, ang paglilinaw ni Sian sa panayam ng Inquirer. Aniya pa, when we parted ways, there were various stories coming out. Some parties are purposely becoming noisy. This was also the time when my family started getting messages that were below the belt. If I may give an example for the sake of context, there was an instance when they said, "Sana mamatay na ang lola mo." They even brought up her cancer. This was from a supporter whom we know and eventually became like family. It had already gotten way out of hand during the 2 weeks since we broke up, so I had to give her a call. This was around November. I was actually begging Kim, saying we should release a statement that we've already gone our separate ways, that we separated on good terms at walang sigawan, patuloy ni Sian. Of course, there were tears, pero walang masamang tinapay. I said, can we just release it? A lot of people are getting dragged into this, including my mom and grandmother. I begged her that both of us could release a statement, but she said not yet because they're doing the press launch of her series. I said, but this is not work-related, it's personal. That's the truth to it. I don't want any conflict between us. My intention now is to tell the truth, that I called to beg her. But she said, in time, I guess by that she meant late December, before Christmas. I don't know why they decided for us to do it then. I was just glad that we both got to release statements. I guess some people, whoever they are, want us fighting. Paliwanag pa niya about the controversial breakup. Mula raw noon ay hindi na sila nakapag-usap ni Kim. We haven't spoken after I begged for the statement, but we are on good terms. From the time we separated, we were okay. Sa isang magazine interview, inamin ni Sian na may namamagitan na nga sa kanila ni Iris. Yes, I'm seeing Iris, just to clear everything, to clear all the speculations. We are seeing each other and we are very happy. Aniya, panoorin natin ang video.
Iris is a talented filmmaker. She's my producer, and she is also she's also my creative partner. And just to clear everything, just to clear all the speculations, we are seeing each other, and we are very happy. The things that I just want to clarify is, number one rumor, may third party. Third party. There's no third party. That's it. That plain and simple. Those are the things na parang, it's just so absurd and it's just parang, why? Diba, things happen in life. Hindi natin makokontrol. Diba? As much as we don't want it to happen, life happens. You know, it just pains me na parang may taong nadamay. May taong nadamay. That just really saddens me, and it's very unfortunate. Ang busy ni Iris, ang busy ko. She has a lot on her plate, I have a lot on my plate. And you know, she doesn't deserve all that flack. We don't deserve that, because all the things that people are saying, there's no truth to it. No one will truly know what is going on in a relationship. Kaming dalawa lang makakapagsabi nun. And that is why it was our conscious effort to released that statement na let's just leave it at that. Na it's a mutual understanding between me and you and we're going our separate ways. Hindi na kailangan pang magsabi kung sinong nagkulang because it was a beautiful relationship. It was a beautiful 12 years. And we did work it out. That's why it lasted that long.